the sound of banjos, and ping pong percussion.
Ping pong percussion. Say that 3 times fast. We were talking about tongue twisters in these albums.
When did this come out? Is this just some sort of, racial undertone to what people in the 40s and 50s thought of other nations?
I don't have any dates on here.
Perfect.
What? Okay. A time capsule, a true treasure. Now, I will say that, can you show the camera banjos again? Make a little noise.
Right here. Banjos. The sounds of banjos and ping pong percussion.
I don't mind the cover.
The font of banjos, it's making me very hungry. I think there's something there.
It's definitely giving off steakhouse vibes.
Yeah, I'm getting faux Mexican, that Chipotle area,
Well, nothing says Chipotle like the sound of banjos.
Mm-hmm.
It is stereophonic, and it is by Coronet Records, a division of Premier Albums Incorporated.
Oh.
So we could probably do a little homework and find out when this bad boy's from, but I don't have a year anywhere.
On it.
My man.
Yeah. Go on.
The banjo is not a new instrument.
Mm-mm.
Let me read the whole sentence. The banjo is not a new instrument to the American musical scene. Full sentence. There are several reasons for its everlasting popularity.
Mm-mm.
Challenge.
Is it racism? It's like
Objection.
It's like why are radios, such an old technology, still around? You're like, well, it's in cars. How come banjos are so prevalent in this country? And you're like, racism.
I have a banjo downstairs, sir.
Well.
Hey,
Oh boy.
Hey, I don't like the direction this is headed. This is coming out in post.
Guesses at the year?
1974.
Oh, you went way high.
I was going to say 61.
61 on the dot. I was really expecting 50s. But
I think the fact that you're moving into sort of a best of era of banjos is why you're.
It's like already accumulated all the original work, and now there's like, all right, we got to figure out what's like scrape off the top.
Keep on doing it.
The style is credited as Dixieland.
What did I say earlier?
Where was I? There are several reasons for its everlasting popularity, paramount of which is the way the versatility of the banjo has enabled it to keep pace with the changing America.
Yeah,
Banjos are the instrument of change.
Not the automobile or the light bulb, but the banjo.
The internet. Now that percussion albums have become the vogue of the recording industry, we find the banjo considered a top lead instrument.
Wow. I was thinking about how you said it is such a early inception to where we are now with the banjo. Steve, who seems to be the man in the chair, look up the history of the banjo. I think it might be the first native United States of America instrument. Americana.
You think we have a national instrument?
I don't know if we do, but we're gonna find out right now. It might be the banjo.
Let me ask the Google.
It gets worse. It gets better. There's names here I'm going to foul up, but I'm going to do my best. In this album, you will find Bob Rickles, the banjo master, playing his own percussion arrangements to all-time favorites, such as Bill Bailey, The Good Old Summertime, and Ring Ring the Banjo.
Is that the name of the... Is there some sort of like... Oh yeah, I'm going to play a banjo. What do you think, Bing Bing? And he's just like... And he's got
the name you would give the bear that's in the background of this music festival. Ring Ring.
Yeah, it's an automatronic bear, like a discount Chuck E. Cheese.
Quick circle back. The handmade gourd instruments that would become the modern banjo originated in West Africa.
Oh.
Enslaved Africans carried the banjar and its music to North America by way of the Caribbean. I would not have guessed that, and I wonder if most of the prime promoters of banjo music are aware of its roots.
What did I say earlier?
It's a pun. That's funny because they're gourds.
All right.
The roots. Aware of the roots.
All right.
I mean, lots of things have roots, Eric. Not just gourds. That's not like an exclusive trait of gourds to pull that pun.
Plant joke. Trying to keep it light.
Maybe it'll grow on us.
Maybe we won't have a civil war one day.
Let's read records featuring Steve Dombroskie. This is it. Woo. Where was I? Ring the banjo. Excuse me. Carry on. This is like ChatGPT. We asked it to name banjo songs.
I like it like a 90s animated Disney movie where there's at least 4 animated sidekicks, whether it's a flying carpet, a monkey, a parrot, and a raccoon. One of them's Banjo.
You think they're named the animated characters in this Banjo movie, starring Steve Martin, are Bill Bailey, The Good Old Summertime, and Ring the Banjo.
Yes. That actually sounds like the DreamWorks. Yeah, that's the DreamWorks rush to production to beat Disney at whatever they're doing that summer.
Yeah, Ring the Banjo is voiced by Martin Short.
It sounds like something they would push out to like combat like Coco 2.
Yes.
We'll show them who needs Frozen 3. You can have Ring the Banjo.
The ghost of my grandma is in this banjo, and if I play it, she'll come back to life.
Think about the merchandising. Mr. Rickles, along with the Bob Friedman Orchestra, made their recording.
Don Rickles?
No,
Bob Rickles.
Bob Rickles, the banjo master from before.
You're friends with Don Rickles? No, Bob Rickles. Sorry.
Bob Rickles, the banjo master.
Oh, banjo master. I see.
Mr. Rickles, along with the Bob Friedman Orchestra, made their recording in technically designed sound studios, especially equipped to enhance the music of the banjo accompanied by percussion instruments. The results were most gratifying to all the musicians, especially Bob Rickles. I am sure when you play this album, you will share their pleasure.
Oh. I'd rather not, honestly.